Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. You are listening to English. You understand every word. You speak calmly, confidently, without fear, without hesitation, and people listen to you with respect. No rushing, no pressure, no complicated rules. Just simple English, spoken slowly, clearly, and naturally. If you have ever felt shy, nervous, or confused while speaking English, this practice is made especially for you. Stay with me, relax your mind, and give yourself these few minutes today, because this small daily practice can completely change the way you speak English forever. Hello, my dear learners, and a very warm welcome to English Practice Beginners, your calm, friendly, and safe space for learning English slowly and confidently. If you are here today, it means you truly want to improve your English speaking in a natural way, without stress and without fear. This session is specially designed for true beginners who want to speak English daily, using simple sentences and slow, repeat after me practice. This is not a fast lesson, and this is not a test. This is your personal practice time. Relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and allow yourself to learn peacefully. Many learners stop learning English because they feel afraid of making mistakes. But remember this clearly. Making mistakes is part of learning, and speaking slowly is not weakness. It is strength. In this practice, you will listen first and then repeat slowly. You do not need perfection, you only need consistency, because even a few minutes of daily practice can completely change your confidence. Now imagine it is early morning and a new day has started. Your mind is fresh and calm. Morning sentences are powerful because they shape how we think and speak throughout the day. You wake up in the morning feeling calm and relaxed. You open your eyes slowly and take a deep breath, and you tell yourself that today you will practice English peacefully. You sit on your bed and stretch your arms gently, feeling thankful for a new day and a new chance to learn. You walk to the bathroom slowly and quietly, wash your face with clean water, look at yourself in the mirror and smile, saying to yourself that you are learning English step by step. You brush your teeth carefully and calmly, choose your clothes comfortably, get dressed without hurry, drink a glass of water slowly, prepare a simple breakfast, and eat your food peacefully and mindfully, allowing English to become part of your daily life instead of a difficult subject. As you step outside, you feel the fresh air and look at the sky with a positive mindset. You walk calmly, observe your surroundings, and greet people politely when you see them, feeling confident using simple English sentences. You wait at the bus stop patiently, stand quietly, observe people around you, get on the bus and say hello politely, find a seat, sit comfortably, and look outside the window while relaxing your mind. When you arrive at your workplace or study place, you enter calmly, greet everyone with a gentle smile, feel comfortable in your environment, and prepare yourself to start the day's work or study without pressure. You sit at your desk comfortably, organize your things slowly, check your work or notes carefully, and focus on one task at a time. When you need help, you ask questions politely, listen carefully when others speak, respond slowly and clearly, share your thoughts with confidence, and remind yourself that small mistakes are normal and you are improving every single day. You practice polite daily conversations naturally by saying, "Excuse me, can you help me please? Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Could you please repeat that slowly? And yes, I understand now. allowing these expressions to become natural in your speech. As lunchtime arrives, you take your break peacefully, sit down, relax your body, eat slowly, enjoy your food, and feel grateful. You talk calmly with people around you, take a short walk after eating to refresh yourself, breathe deeply, return to your work or study with a relaxed mind, and continue your tasks without stress. During the afternoon, you read messages carefully, reply politely and clearly, use simple English sentences confidently, feel less nervous, and trust your learning process more with every passing day. When evening comes, you finish your work, pack your things neatly, say goodbye politely, walk back home slowly, and feel satisfied with your efforts. You reach home, remove your shoes, wash your hands and face, change into comfortable clothes, and take a deep breath to relax. You talk calmly with your family, share your day using simple words, listen carefully, enjoy quiet moments, prepare a simple dinner, eat slowly, drink water, clean your space, and feel calm and organized. At night, you sit quietly for a few minutes, reflect on your day, feel proud of your progress, remind yourself to practice English daily and believe in your ability to improve. You prepare your bed, set your alarm for tomorrow, lie down comfortably, relax your body, close your eyes slowly and fall asleep calmly, knowing that English fluency is coming closer with every day of practice. English fluency does not come from watching many videos once. It comes from daily slow practice, from repeating simple sentences again and again, from training your ears, your tongue, and your mind together. Do not rush, do not compare yourself with others, and do not quit. At English Practice Beginners, our goal is to give you a safe, pressure-free environment where English feels simple, usable, and natural. If you practice this session daily for even 15 minutes, you will notice a big change in your confidence, your clarity, and your comfort while speaking English. Thank you for practicing today. Keep repeating, keep believing, and keep moving forward, because every slow sentence you speak today is building a fluent English future for you. After practicing all the sentences in episode 1, your brain has started adjusting slowly and your confidence has taken a tiny step forward. Now, in episode 2, we continue the same calm, slow, and friendly flow, adding more daily conversations, short story-style sentences, and confidence-building expressions to help you speak English naturally. Imagine yourself sitting comfortably in your room, taking a deep breath, and telling yourself, "Today I will speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. This is your safe space, your friendly English practice, and today we will expand your daily routines and add new contexts. Let's begin with evening and night routine sentences, the moments when your mind is calm and receptive. I greet my family politely. I ask, 'How was your day?' I listen carefully and respond slowly. I share my own day. Today, I practiced English calmly and understood simple conversations better. I say, 'Did you enjoy your day?' 'Yes, it was calm and peaceful.' I offer help. 'Do you need anything from me?' I say thank you for small things. I smile gently while speaking. I repeat these sentences slowly, shadowing them until they feel natural. Every repetition strengthens pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Next, let's practice real-life situations outside the home. Imagine going to a small shop or cafe. I say, 'Excuse me, can you help me?' I ask, 'How much is this?' I request politely, 'Could you repeat that slowly, please?' I say, 'Thank you very much.' I notice the cashier smiles. I respond, I appreciate your help. Standing calmly, speaking clearly and observing reactions boosts confidence. Repeating these sentences every day makes real-life English easier and prepares your mind to respond in actual situations. Now we add story-based conversations to make practice more natural. Imagine meeting a friend unexpectedly. I say, "Hi, how are you?" My friend says, "I'm fine, and you?" I respond, "I'm doing well, thank you." We talk about simple topics like the weather, food, or plans. "It's sunny today, isn't it?" "Yes, it's a perfect day for a walk." "Do you want coffee?" "Sure, let's go." Each line is repeated slowly, shadowed and imagined in real situations. Story-based sentences make your brain recognize patterns, helping you reply naturally in conversations. Next, let's continue work or study environment practice. I enter a meeting or classroom. I greet politely. "Good morning, everyone." "Can we start the meeting now?" "Yes, I have a question regarding the task." "Sure, please go ahead." "I'm not sure about one point. Can you explain?" "Of course, let me clarify slowly." I listen carefully, nod politely, and respond calmly. I take notes step by step. Shadowing these sentences builds professional and academic fluency. Slowly your confidence grows and you stop fearing group conversations. After that, we practice small talk in public. Asks, "You all right?" I reply slowly, "Yes, thank you. How are you?" They smile and the conversation continues. "Did you have lunch?" "Yes, I enjoyed it." "Are you going to the park?" "Yes, I will walk there slowly." I notice body language, tone, and timing. Small talk is not just about words, it's about rhythm and calm interaction. Repeating these patterns daily makes your brain faster and more comfortable in real life. Now, let's focus on night reflection and self-practice sentences. I sit quietly, breathe deeply, and say, "Today I practiced English calmly. I understood more than yesterday. I felt confident in small conversations. I stretch lightly, drink water, and close my eyes. I repeat silently, every day my English improves. Every sentence I speak slowly strengthens my skills." This reflection habit builds mental confidence and prepares your brain for the next day's practice. Finally, for motivation and daily routine practice, remember, fluency does not come from rushing or perfect grammar. It comes from slow, consistent practice and patience. Repeat 10 to 15 sentences each morning. Practice 5 to 10 story-based conversations in the afternoon. Review evening and night sentences calmly. Every sentence strengthens your brain, pronunciation, and confidence. Small steps daily create long-term fluency. Ends with this calm, motivating thought. Mistakes are natural, slow practice is powerful, and confidence grows with repetition. English is not an enemy. It is a tool you are learning to use at your pace. Each line you repeat today will help you respond naturally tomorrow. Slowly, your brain will process sentences faster, small talk will feel comfortable, and real conversations will be smoother. Keep practicing daily. Speak slowly, listen carefully, shadow sentences, celebrate small wins. With patience and consistency, your English will become fluent, effortless, and natural. You are not alone, you are learning, and every step you take today moves you closer to confident English.